Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to clean up Google Photo storage fast. To quickly clean Google Photo storage, you need to follow the steps. First of all, you could delete unwanted photos and videos. So open the Google Photos and here you could go ahead and select the videos that you want to delete it. And unwanted photos that you want to delete, just like you could just long press onto it and then click on the move to trash button. Now do the same thing with the rest of the photos that you have, and after which you could tap in the top right corner of the screen, and then from the selection you could just go ahead and click on manage storage. So now what you could do is just simply use the review and delete section. So there you could find these reviews or delete section, or you could just go to blur photos and it's going to be automatically deleted. So likewise you could go ahead and delete it or just select it and that is how you could clean up Google Photo storage fast. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.